Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add music to your Instagram post. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up your Instagram app, log into your account, and after that what you need to do is you hit on the plus icon and from there select the post. Once you are in the post, what you need to do is you select the image or the video that you want to post, and after that you hit on next. Once you are here, what you need to do is you can change the filters of the image or the video, or what you can do is you can add a music to it as well. So on the top, you guys can see a filter button and also a music button. Hit on the music, and from there it's going to open up a bunch of gallery of Instagram. And what you can do is you can select a song or a music, and then hit on the music, so that it can be added to your uh, you know it can be added to your post. All right, so once you select the song, what you need to do is you can select the duration from where it should start, and from from where it should end. All right, now once you select the music, what you need to do is you hit on this done button, and then hit on this next button, and after that your post is going to be posted. What you need to do now is you type in the description or the caption that you want to add, and after that hit on share. Once you hit on share, it's gonna ask you if you want to share this post to Facebook as well, but just stick to share to Instagram only, and then this post will be shared to your Instagram profile. All right, so here, as you guys can see, this is the post that I have posted now. So what we can do is we can open this up and check how this goes. All right. Okay, so as you guys can hear the music to this post as well. So that's how you can add music to your Instagram post. Now for the course of this video, guys, that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.